Hello everyone, welcome to DP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: retract, R-E-T-R-A-C-T, meaning pull in or deny. Synonyms: draw in, pull back, deny, disavow, back, renounce, repel, revoke, repudiate, reverse, abjure, rule out, exclude, rescind, retrocede, disclaim, countermand. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: extend, acknowledge, admit, accept, advance, agree, approve, allow, forge, enforce, permit, go forward, sanction, include, welcome, emphasize, reaffirm, repeat, corroborate. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she retracted her hand as if she had been hurt. Another example can be given: the company will retract its job offer if it learns of your arrest. Apace, A-P-A-C-E, meaning quickly. Synonyms: fast, briskly, soon, hastily, swiftly, pronto, speedily, presto, rapid, snappily, full tilt, post haste. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: slowly, sluggish, tardily, belatedly, deliberately, gradually, eventually, at a snail's pace, leisurely, unhurriedly, in the long run, sometimes, not now. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: development on the project continued apace. Another example can be given: the news of victory spread apace. Hello everyone, welcome to DP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: savage, S-A-V-A-G-E, meaning ferocious or extremely violent, wild or frightening, or a person whose way of life is at a very early stage of development. Synonyms: fierce, wild, uncultivated, cruel, vicious, barbarian, rude, heathen, excoriate, vituperate, uncivil, beast, brutal, attack, devil, hound, knave, rogue, villain, scoundrel, reprobate, abuse, maul, tear, claw, bash, knock, criticize, bloody, belabor, castigate, indigene, primary. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: tame, civilized, benign, domesticated, gentle, calm, kind, mild, nice, sophisticated, refined, non-violent, peaceful, tender, cultured, polite, secondary, foreign, new, modern, polished. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: pack of savage dogs roam the streets. Another example can be given: thousands of years ago, our ancestors were primitive savages living in caves. Entail, E-N-T-A-I-L, meaning necessitate, to make something necessary or to involve something. Synonyms: require, need, carry, produce, comprehend, embrace, encompass, include, involve, cause, entangle, impose, demand, occasion, give rise to, head to, call for, bring about. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: nullify, exclude, miss out, omit, untangle, stand still, get on, embark, come, heave out, untwist. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we are in a situation which entails considerable risks. Hello everyone, welcome to DP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: succor, S-U-C-C-O-U-R, meaning aid, help given to someone especially who is in need. Synonyms: help, assist, support, relief, encourage, lift, sustenance, benefit, comfort, consolation, solace, foster, nurse, cure, take care of, soothe, appease, soften, alleviate, mitigate, favor, palliate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: oppose, blockage, hurt, injury, persecute, oppress, hindrance, obstruction, stop, discourage, damage, maltreat, counteract, thwart, withstand. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they gave succor to the victims of COVID-19. Another example can be given: our organization gave succor and financial help to the flood victims.
Seventh heaven, to be extremely happy, meaning to be extremely happy, attaining a state of endless bliss, a state of extreme joy, being glad, amused to a large extent, that's what the meaning of seventh heaven, to be extremely happy. Synonyms: cloud nine, yes, cloud nine, ecstasy, elation, euphoria, swoon, exhilaration, heaven, high, paradise, transport, rhapsody, utopia, nirvana, empyrean, celestial throne, heaven of heavens, throne of gods. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: depression, despair, mopes, melancholy, gloominess, woe, forlornness, dreariness, blues, dejection, wretchedness, misery, sadness, unhappiness, doldrums, dispiritedness, desolation. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: grandma was in seventh heaven to see her grandchildren after a long time. Very true, right? You might have come across such type of situations in your life also. So grandma was in seventh heaven to see her grandchildren after a long time. Another example also can be given: Pranav was in seventh heaven when he received his promotion letter. Pranav was in seventh heaven when he received his promotion letter. Thank you very much for supporting us. We will meet again in tomorrow's session. Thank you very much.